Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to explain to you about how to install SSL certificate in your website. This one I am just doing it in a SiteGround hosting. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Just go to the websites, click the site tools over there, and the dashboard of your website will open. Yes, in that website there is a menu called security. Just click the security menu, and in that just click SSL manager. In the SSL manager, if you are having a domain let's encrypt, or also you can go for let's encrypt wildcard. Both this thing are fine. If it is let's encrypt wildcard, you can use it for the subdomain also. So here I am just to domain and subdomain also. So this is the domain, and for let's encrypt wildcard I am just clicking the let's encrypt wildcard here, and we can use it for domain and also subdomain. So I am using it let's encrypt wildcard, and after selecting the let's encrypt wildcard, what we have to do is we have to just click the get. Right, you can use both the things, let's encrypt wildcard also, you can use let's encrypt also. So after that just click get, and after you click the get, you will get a http enforce. Right, just make it https enforce. Okay, success, the https has been enforced, your SSL certificate has been installed. Thanks a lot, bye.